talk about the chapter excretion, and it is a life process which is dealing with the removal of nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body. And if we want to remove this waste, this is NW waste, nitrogenous waste, we need a system, and this system is nothing but the excretory system in human beings. Now, when we are talking about an organ system, that is excretory system, there might be some organs involved. The organs are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. Now, what is this system going to do? This system is going to filter out our waste. So, we need a pair of kidney, that is 2 in number, bean shaped. And these kidneys, which you can see in the diagram also, they are bean shaped and they are the right kidney, the left kidney. It helps in the filtration. It has some functional units and they are numerous in number. They are nephrons. So kidney is holding nephron. It is like opening up a pomegranate. A lot of seeds will be there. So it is just, the kidney is like that only. When you will open it, lot of nephrons will be there. And these nephrons, they also look like, they also have a structure, and this structure is like this, so which we will take out later on. Now let's go back to this ureter. This ureter is a link between kidney and the urinary bladder. So it, whatever the kidney is filtering out, this ureter will pass it to urinary bladder. The bladder will store it, will store that urine for a time being, and then once it will store, it is going to release it and pass it on to where? Urethra, out of the body. Now this is a simple diagram which is going to show everything. Let me zoom it. This is the 2 kidneys, the left, the right kidney. The kidney has nephrons. It has cortex medulla, which you will study in later classes. Abhi it is not required. Then this is a renal artery which is coming from the heart going to the kidney. So renal is the name given. Renal vein, it is going to take the blood back to the heart. So it is renal vein. The nephron are the functional units in the kidney. Then this ureter, the highlighted portion, it will collect down the urine drop by drop, and then it is collected here in this bladder. The bladder will get the information that it is completely filled. The sphincter muscles are here which give back to the message to the brain, and then ultimately the urine is released out. Now this is an important process that the whole system is doing. So we must understand how this urine is formed. Now you just understand the structure of a nephron first. The nephron, it has a cup-like structure which is called the Bowman's capsule, right? And then comes the tubular section. It is tube-like. It is like a entertainment park, the water park, where you have got to just roll it down, come down, go up, and just like that. This is a convoluted tubule. This Bowman capsule will receive a tuft of capillaries, and these tuft of capillaries will be formed here. I will explain later on. First understand nephron, how it looks like. The kidney ke andar nephron looks like this. This is first compartment, first zone where the filtration will happen. Then comes this part where final reabsorption, koi faltu cheez nahi waste ho rahi hai. All the important things will be absorbed back. So this is the second zone, and this is the third zone. Now what we have to understand? We have to understand that basically the whole urine formation goes in 3 zones. The 3 zones are the glomerular filtration, where the branch of renal artery, because the complete renal artery is entering the kidney, only a branch of it will get into this Bowman capsule, and then this glomerulus bundle of capillaries is called glomerulus. It will form a filtrate. जो भी वो छानेगा, जैसे छान के हम चाय को we collect it in a cup. So same ways the filtrate will be having the glucose, the salt, the amino acid. Now this is the first step done. What is the first step? Forming a filtrate. The blood will be filtered. From this filter, the filtrate is obtained. This filtrate is collected, and this filtrate is collected, and what we are going to do now, what it will do, it will just the glomerulus will filtrate all this, filter it out. These are useful substances. Now the body will try to recover it. It will not allow it to go into the waste. So this part, वो बोलेगा ये part अपना काम करेगा, filtrate करा, filter छाना, उसमें से waste भी निकलेगा, collect होगा. Along with this, important things are also taken out. Now this tubular section will reabsorb. As the name suggests, it is tubular, it is tube-like. Reabsorption, मतलब it is absorbing back certain things. Which are the certain things? Glucose, amino acid, and the salts. Then they are reabsorbed. Then it is taken all along this tubular part. The renal veins, venules will be there, which will collect all the things which had been purified and will drop it back into the blood. So nothing is wasted here. Now what is left is the nitrogenous waste, right? This is a nitrogenous waste, and it will be, along with the water molecule, will be passed on to the tubule, collecting tubule, and the collecting duct as urine. So this is how, in 3 simple steps, glomerular filtration, GTS. ठीक है ना? People say GTH, but it is GTS. Glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and the secretion. Now this is ultimately the timeline of what we have understood right now. What is first the renal artery? The renal artery will get into the kidney. Okay, it is coming from the heart. Now it will go into the kidney. Now comes the kidney ke andar nephron. Nephron will take up the charge, and lot of new nephrons, all of them are working, and they are going to do the filtration. How filtration will be done? In 3 steps. The glomerular filtration, then convoluted tubulation से tubule से filtration reabsorption होगा, and collecting duct will collect the urine, and ultimately it will taken to the ureter, then bladder, and then urethra, and then out of the body. Now this is the complete structure which we have to see, right? Now this is the structure of nephron, where this is the Bowman capsule, right? The tuft of capillaries will be here. Then this is the tubular section. All around it, see, efferent arteriole, then this whole thing will branch it out all over the tubule part. So it is your wish, you can draw only this much, or you can just take a small part of it. Now this particular section, you must understand that this is the blood vessels which is all around it, and it is going to collect reabsorbed material back into the blood, pour it back into the blood, and this is a collecting duct. So this is a simple system where we can just summarize it as what is. See, it is so simple. You have to just go through what is excretion, number 1, what are the system involved, what are the organs involved, then comes a diagram, very simple way, and very important question in this section, how urine is formed. Urine is formed, isko understand karne ke liye we have to go ahead with the 3 step. 1, GTS. GTS means glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and the secretion. And ultimately you will be filtering out what? You will be filtering out the waste called the nitrogenous waste. So this is a timeline. You can just make your own fine